In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to download Landsat imagery from GloVis. So to do that, open your browser, open a new tab and type GloVis. Click enter. So this is GloVis homepage. Click on it to open the site. So click on launch GloVis. So let's close this pop-up. This is the interface of GloVis. When you open it, this is how it looks like. So you need to log into your USGS account, or you can open a new account with them. So once you open the site, log into your account. Then here you can select your location or your area of interest. Click here, and here you can click on use my current locations. If you click on it, it will take you to your current location. However, if you want to download for a specific location whose latitude and longitude is known to you, click on lat and long. So then you'll be required to enter the latitude, let's say 7, and the longitude, let's say 8 for instance, and click on jump to location. So when you click on it, it will jump to location. So this is a particular location here in Benue State, Nigeria. So if you want to download Landsat image for this or any other images for these very particular locations, so come to this very interface and you see select datasets. To do that, click on add. Then you see these various datasets. So you can click on add all dataset, or you can select some dataset you want and click on add. So let's add all datasets. Click on add all datasets. So once you click on it, all the dataset will be added. So here you can select the specific dataset you want to download. In this case, we want to download for Landsat 8 to 9. So check it. So once you check it, it will load the Landsat dataset available for that particular location. So here also you can come down, you can filter your data. To do that, come to this, scroll down, come to this common metadata filter. Click on this add and come to filter type. You can select here and choose acquisition dates. Click on acquisition dates. Here you can specify the particular year you want. Let's say for January 1st, 2023 to December 31st, 2023. Click add filter. So you can also add another filter, let's say land cover from 0 to 10 for instance, and click on add filter. Then close this. So it has been added. So you have chosen the date of acquisitions of your data, so it will filter it and bring the data available for the conditions given. So you can see this one acquired this here. So you can click on next to select another scene or another image. So if you are satisfied with the data set I've presented to you, click on download. So it will load download options. So under download option, if you want to download the entire bulk file that will consist all the bands, it's about 1.1 gig. However, if you want to select only few bands, so click on select. Automatically it selects all the bands. You can deselect all, then select the specific bands you want to download. Let's say you want to download band 2, band 3, band 4. So after selecting it, click on download all selected now. Once you click on it, it will ask you, you are about to download 3 files. Are you sure? You click on OK. So in few seconds, the download will take over. So this is how to download Landsat image from GloVis. Thank you for watching.